Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm a supervisor in sales education.
And I'm Christina, and I'm the senior manager in the sales education group.
Hi, I'm Richie. I'm the director of creative for Mary Kay US.
That's Elise.
This is Katie,
and we're your Mary Kay Product Education Specialists.
Do you know what we're doing here today?
We are testing fragrances, testing my knowledge of fragrances.
Something with cologne and perfume?
How well do you know your Mary Kay fragrances?
I know what they look like, but not really what they smell like.
Oh, floral?
It smells sweet, like a lady's perfume. Why are y'all laughing?
Ooh, I like this one.
Enchanted Wish.
Oh yeah, that has a lot of fruits in
Mhm.
it. That'll be our final answer.
Final answer. We can't phone a friend.
I'm gonna go with Thinking of You, final answer.
I'm gonna go Thinking of Love, final answer.
One of you is right. Elise.
Ah,
Okay, I'm ready.
oh, this is the Bella one.
You think it's Bella? I was gonna say Illuminea.
Ooh, this one has a deep scent to it.
Oh yeah, that's fancy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
This is a-
that one.
Okay, then it has to be Forever Diamonds.
Oh, that's a good guess.
Maybe this one. I'm gonna guess Forever Diamonds.
Is it
Orchid?
Is it Illuminea?
It's Illuminea.
Ah,
You're right.
Yay!
Did you?
Yeah, I guess it. It's Illuminea.
You're so good.
I know.
0 for 2. Oh, that's a guy's. Yeah, okay.
This smells like a
Yeah.
a men's fragrance.
This is definitely fresh.
You think?
It smells like the ocean. Sea mist. A little bit of...
Oh yes, yes. Okay.
Is that sea mist I smell?
Ginger spices. Or, wait a second, let me smell a little bit more here. Crushed mint leaf. Do we smell some of that mint leaf?
I don't know how you're smelling that. I don't know that I smell. You've got like
It's either high intensity sports
You've got
or
good
high
senses.
intensity ocean. I've narrowed it down.
You've got a good sense of
Yes.
smell.
I think so.
High intensity. Ocean.
Just a hint.
I like this one. I feel like
Like a
this is the
drop.
intensity. It's the ocean intensity.
And this time it's Katie.
Final answer?
That's it.
Hey!
I'm thinking.
This one also smells fancy too.
Yeah.
This one
but
feels
a lighter fancy.
yes, like where I feel like Illuminate. Yeah, Illuminea was thicker.
Yeah, this
Like
one's
you
lighter.
said.
But you know what? Also, Thinking of You has creamy jasmine, juicy plum, creamy
I
jasmine,
didn't smell
pink.
creamy jasmine. It was just regular.
Or plum.
Well, if it's floral, I think it's this one. Live fearlessly.
Live fearlessly.
Yes.
You got it right.
Yes. Yes.
Live fearlessly.
Yay!
Yeah, thank you.
I'm gonna live fearlessly, just because I really.
One of you is right again.
Ooh.
Katie.
2 for 2.
Because I was fearless.
This one is really nice.
Yeah. This is the tiebreaker.
We'll still be friends no matter what.
Yes. To the end.
Until the end.
Would you say that it's more woodsy or musky?
I thought they were the same thing.
True,
True
original.
original. This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think it's true original.
That's got to be true original. Yeah? No?
You're both wrong, so I guess we'll have to stay at a tie.
Oh no! But we were so confident.
We were so confident.
What was it?
It's Cityscape.
You've got to be kidding me.
You keep saying Cityscape.
Yeah. We guessed that it's
I think it's Cityscape.
Cityscape.
Yay! We got it.
I should have.
Okay.
Are
you sure? Okay.
Okay.
I believe you.
Yeah, that was hard. That was actually really hard.
I think I did pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I did good.
I think we did pretty good.
I think we did really good.
I
Like,
mean-
there were a few that we honed in on really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which fragrance was your favorite?
My favorite was Cityscape for Men.
Well, we actually really did love for the men's the one that smelled like the
Yep.
ocean.
Like I will definitely be purchasing that for my husband.
Yes.
It smelled good.
Do you have a greater appreciation for our fragrance formulators?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yes.
I mean, who knew what this spicy mandarin or
Yeah.
sparkling mandarin was? Like now I know.
Thanks for watching.
Give this video a thumbs up.
And hit the subscribe button for more Mary Kay videos.